this is Dixie from A Fool's Journey, and I have the tarot forecast for you for the week of May 20th, 2013. I have the lovely Gilded Tarot deck. Anyway, see what we get. Alrighty. Got the Queen of Cups inverted. Now, anytime a card is inverted, what that generally will tell me is either the energy is not fully being expressed, that maybe a less desirable expression of that energy is in place. It's either moving in or, getting pulled out, but there's like an issue. It's not complete, or it's not fully expressed, or you need to be aware of it. Now with the Queen of Cups, she represents intuitive connection, also emotionality. Cups are the water suit, so it's, it's feelings, wavy feelings. When she's inverted, what I would say is there's a good possibility that she's emotionally off balance, that she's either over or under emotional or overreacting. Last week or two, probably, judging by the forecast I'm getting anyway, has probably been fairly demanding. So what I would tell you is to take extra care for downtime and schedule some time to ground, okay? Don't let yourself get too far off. If your emotions threaten to overwhelm you, journal them out. Do some physical activity. Do something to discharge that. Withdraw if you need to. Spend extra time sleeping or with music. Those are a couple of really helpful strategies when you're dealing with watery realm. Bathing, actually, too, or cleansing baths. If you do any kind of herbal baths or cleansing baths or salt baths or anything like that, would also be a good way to kind of cleanse some of this difficult emotional energy, and then ground, like, eat, sleep, walk outside, touch the ground, touch dirt, plants, that kind of stuff. That's all helpful. So let me know if this resonates with you. Let me know how your week goes. I'd love to hear it. Come visit me on my website, afoolsjourney.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just come hang out, okay? I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for stopping by. Peace out. Bye-bye. I would say the name of the author, but I'm not really sure how to pronounce it.